Max.
Long time, eh?
Long time I no hear you, me old soldier. Max, me need you go back at the site when near the graveyard.
Wagwan. Me done with God life. You know, me there in the kitchen now, curry goat and peace of mind.
Me know, but me have one little favor. The new site there right beside the graveyard. Nobody want guard it. The last man quit same night him start. But me will pay you double.
The only double me like nowadays is double portion of stew peas. Me no guard dead people again.
Remember when me did tell you you're the best night guard me ever have? Me trust you, man. Plus, the duppy them cool now. Them modern.
Wow, them a stream on YouTube and TikTok now. Modern ghost? Wow, them a stream on YouTube and TikTok now? Me people, me have to get hype. The graveyard shift now easy. Money have to run. Me open savings for like a responsible man, but me spend more on irresponsible fun. Me feel nice, so me start plan to buy 2 pots. One for curry, one for courage. And me put a little savings for responsibility and a big tip for temptation. Me come back for the double pay, not for the afterlife membership. Who there? Who a laugh? The lights cut off? Lord God, me done. Warhouse dark, cemetery dark, me can hear some. Me a piss myself, and this is more than marking my spot. Me weak, me wet, myself. Me come for the double pay, but money no convince me to sell me Sunday stew. Me run, cause me not sign up for no afterlife subscription, cancel me name. You tell me you run back home and you left the money? No man, sire, me no get nothing. Boy, you left with empty pocket and a full of story make me laugh. You're chicken out. You think duppy easy, boy, move.